What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I apologize. My allergies are acting up today, but we'll try and get through this video. As I go into golf today, oh wow, looks like my eye is red. As I go into golf today, I saw the market was about 1% down, close to 1% down. We saw some things that were moving. It was early in the morning, so things weren't really crazy. But now that I get out of golfing, right, come back, after eating lunch with Erica, come back and look at the markets, and I'm like, whoa, what is going on to the markets? Like, there has to be something that's happening right now. It's not just a bloodbath because it's a bloodbath, right? There has to be something going on. Is it surrounding the SEC? Is it surrounding, some sort of position that crashed or exchange that crashed or whatever? And I come back and it's surrounding kind of both, right? Not really around the exchanges crashing, but something to do with an exchange as well as the SEC. So I wanted to get into that because it seems like the SEC really wants to destroy crypto. And I was just having this conversation with, my old football buddy I was golfing with. We were talking about XRP. We were talking about that case and everything and what's going to play out there. And it could be going positively for XRP's way. And I was like, as long as the SEC, kind of defines what an unregistered security is and, stops attacking exchanges and different projects for doing this. But it seems like as we have that conversation, something new comes up. So let's talk about this, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description for my Patreon, for my other crypto exchanges that I am a part of that I use, but never know what the SEC is going to do. But yeah, if you want to use those crypto exchanges, feel free to sign up for those and check those out. I apologize. Anyways, if we look at the crypto market currently, it's down about 5.16%. We're seeing in the trending section, you're seeing Pepe's down, you're seeing Terra Luna Classics down, Bitcoin is down by 5%, Ethereum down by 4%. You see BNB that's down by 9%. I tweeted out just recently that once I saw this, I was like, I wasn't happy that I sold my BNB until I saw its price today. And the reason why you see that coming is because of what the SEC is doing, and we will get into that. Anyways, BNB is down by 9%, 11% over the last 7 days. You're seeing Cardano that's down by 7%. You're seeing Dogecoin that's down by 7%. Actually, you're seeing Atom that's down by quite a bit as well. And I just purchased Atom thinking that we were going to see some sort of benefit, some sort of move, and we should have. Without this news that came up, that kind of just completely destroyed what I had going for. And it was moving. It was moving up to about $11, and now it's down to $10. And of course, they want to do this when it's looking like XRP is really going to wrap some things up and actually get a definition of what an unregistered security is. But anyways, Atom's down, Chainlink's down, and I was going to make a video today talking about how Cosmos was going the right way and everything, and now it is not. And to really label a lot of different things, and there's a reason why Cosmos is moving that way as well, down 7% versus, being, down a lower amount, probably 1% or 2% or 3%. But you see a lot of the positions that have been mentioned are the ones that are, moving in the wrong direction. So everything's down. It looks like you're seeing a massive bloodbath here with a lot of different positions, and it hurts everyone's portfolio that's, wants to be invested in crypto. And, obviously taking away from institutional investing and not allowing that to happen, because why would institutions want to invest into something that the SEC is really trying to attack and really trying to get rid of? So anyways, let's get into some of that news here. So here we go. The SEC sues crypto exchange Binance CZ over multiple securities violation allegations. Now, this is ridiculous, right? I mean, you could probably guess that something like this was going to transpire. It feels like I said, the XRP case, you feel like it's starting to come to an end. And if that changes, if something changes there and goes XRP's way, it changes literally the dynamic of, or the thought of how you think about crypto. All of the people that are like, oh, well, you know what, this is what the SEC says and they're against crypto because of it. Well, now you can say, they're wrong, but now you have a new thing out here, and you're going to have, a lawsuit with Binance and, CZ over these securities violation allegations. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission sued crypto exchange Binance, the operating company for Binance.us, and Binance founder and CEO CZ on allegations of violating federal securities laws on Monday. Binance.us, and CZ offered unregistered securities to the general public in the form of BNB token and Binance-linked BUSD stablecoin. Said the suit, which also alleges that Binance's staking services violated securities law. There are similar charges against BAM Trading, the operating company for Binance.us, and Binance itself, including failure to register as a clearing agency, failure to register as a broker, and failure to register as an exchange. The SEC also alleged that Binance allowed for a commingling of customer funds, that CZ was secretly controlling Binance.us, that the CZ owned and operated entity was inflating Binance.us Essing's volume. Interesting. We scroll down here. The SEC also alleged that a number of tokens, including the native tokens for Solana, Cardano, Polygon, Cody, Algorand blockchains, a file network, Cosmos Hub, so Atom, and sandbox platforms, Axie Infinity, and Decentraland, which is Mana, are securities. Now, this is big, right? Because I'm in Algorand, or sorry, not Algorand, I'm in Algorand, but I'm in Cosmos, and I just made that move into Cosmos, and now my value is at a lower level. Now, is it going to continue? This is what sucks, right? Because I feel like the chart shows something that should have transpired, but because of what the SEC is doing, it kind of takes away from what I see in the position. And I know a lot of people see the same thing. And now it's getting me very close to what my overall stop loss is. And if I, don't want to lose any more, if I get down to about $10, then that's where I end up taking that stop loss and getting out of the position. And it's all because of what happened here. For the SEC trying to protect a lot of customers as a whole and say, oh, you're violating all of these things, you're actually hurting a lot of customers and hurting a lot of investors for doing all of this stuff. And honestly, I think this is just a ploy. This is just something to where they're like, all right, XRP and that whole situation is starting to kind of run its course. Now we need to take matters into our own hands and go after the largest exchange out there, go after Binance, go after CZ. And if you do that and have any type of success, even with just the thought of having that out there, it stops that crypto bull run that we expected to see. And honestly, I don't think you can take away from what crypto has done and what crypto will do, whether it's just traded on more of a decentralized platform, then so be it. But it still will be something that's tradable in other countries and also in other platforms rather than these, US based platforms that are there. Now, will US citizens be able to buy it? Who knows? I mean, VPNs and all that other stuff, I'm not 100% sure if that takes place. Or like I said, this may be just a distraction in order to make it difficult, right? Hit Binance where it could hurt. And who knows, right? Some of this stuff may be true. Some of this stuff may not. I would probably lean more towards the fact that it's not, and it's more just allegations. But it creates an impact, and you can see that within all the positions that are here, right? Especially the ones that are named, right? Cosmos, you see that falling by about 7%. You see even Ethereum that's down by 5%, Bitcoin that's down by 5%, because that obviously can have a big effect. BNB, especially being down by 9%. XRP down by 7%, Cardano down by 7%. That's another big position that I have is Cardano. Solana down by 9%. So anything I pretty much would have bought into would have done the same thing. It wasn't about whether I invested into the wrong play. anything that you bought into, it seemed like would have had a massive negative impact to it. So it seems like the SEC just wants to destroy crypto. And we've kind of confirmed that on many different scenarios, many different cases. And it sucks being a part or being in the US and what they're trying to do to crypto, which I'm a big fan of. They're just kind of, I don't know, shooting themselves in the foot, right? I feel like crypto is going to be the future. I feel like the, digital space, paying digitally, and having that digital dollar in a way, is going to be the future. But, they're obviously not ready to accept that. So anyways, let me know what you think about it. It's definitely interesting. There's a lot more that goes into it if you guys want to go and read the article. There's a couple more articles that really highlight some other things as well. But yeah, this definitely bothers me seeing the markets down by this much. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.